Hey guys, it's your favourite nutrition expert Liam here, and let's discuss the powerful spice, cinnamon. The well-known spice cinnamon has been used therapeutically to treat many health conditions for millennia, so thousands of years. This traditional medicine of late though has seen increases in rigorous scientific evidence supporting many of its health benefits. In this video, I'll discuss some of this evidence to ensure you make informed health decisions. Probably the most important benefit of consuming cinnamon is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. So much scientific literature has indicated that cinnamon is a powerful regulator of blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to improve glycemic control in those suffering from the disease type 2 diabetes. This is a very common disorder. This research indicates cinnamon could be useful in the treatment of insulin resistance, which is one of the biggest components in the etiology of type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon also has powerful antioxidant properties due to its high polyphenol content. Things like chocolate and coffee are also quite high in polyphenols. That's why those are considered quite healthy. The term antioxidant simply refers to the ability of a molecule to neutralize damage caused to the body by free radicals. Now, free radicals are simply these unstable molecules that cause damage to human cells via this reaction called oxidation. Therefore, by consuming cinnamon, which is rich in antioxidants, you are able to help protect your cells from the harmful damage caused by oxidative stress. This in turn reduces your likelihood of developing disease states such as cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders. Not only is cinnamon a powerful antioxidant, but it also has many anti-inflammatory properties. These are usually confused as meaning the same thing. For context, chronic or long-term inflammation is associated with the development of many diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a form of dementia. Cinnamon is able to protect your health by specifically lowering your levels of LDL bad cholesterol and triglycerides, both of which are biomarkers of heart disease. Cinnamon is also able to assist you in maintaining your levels of HDL good cholesterol. When those levels are elevated or high, you're less likely to develop heart disease. The scientific literature has indicated that cinnamon's ability to reduce the development of neurological disorders, like Alzheimer's that we spoke about earlier, is due to its ability to inhibit the accumulation of a protein known as tau. The buildup of tau is a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Cinnamon additionally has many antimicrobial properties. The oils found within cinnamon have been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms such as fungi, bacteria, and some viruses. That's all for this quick video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.